If your Spotify local files aren't syncing in 2025, here's how to fix it fast. First, make sure both your desktop and phone are connected to the same Wi Fi. This is key. Local files won't sync over mobile, data, or different networks. Next, on your desktop app, go to Settings, scroll to Local Files, and turn on the sources where your music is stored. After that, create a playlist and add those local files into it. Now, open the Spotify app on your phone. Go to the same playlist, toggle on download. If it doesn't start downloading, make sure Show Local Audio Files is enabled in your phone's Spotify settings. Still not syncing? Try restarting both devices and re-log in into your account. Also, make sure both Spotify apps are updated to the latest version. Once synced, your files should be playable offline right from your mobile. If this helped, well, hit subscribe and drop a comment if it worked out for you. Or if you're still stuck, I'll try to help out. And like always, if you do have any questions, you just drop them to us in the comments and I'll get back to you with an answer or a video if that fits necessary.